Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Xiaomi 12 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. First, let's start with the question of why your phone is slow. Basically, it's because your phone can't handle the load you have put on it. This is either because the phone is not powerful enough to do what you want, or you are not taking good care of your device. You should always understand that every device is designed to perform a certain amount of tasks with a certain dynamic. And now every phone can give you the opportunity to work on it smoothly at high dynamic of use, and even with heavy tasks. But despite the above, if you follow the instructions I am about to give you, you will be able to keep your device always in good condition. So the first and the most important aspect that can slow down your device is a memory. The onboard memory of a device is a limited resource. Often the winners is the one who invests in a device with a more built-in memory. And the whole point is that device with built-in memory begins to slow down. It's always a good idea not to fill the built-in storage more than 70% full. So the first step to speed up your device is to free up memory. In order to free up space in your memory, you can delete unused applications or, for example, upload all your photos and videos to the cloud storage. So to uninstall applications, open your settings app, then open apps, then manage apps, and here you will see all your apps. So for example, you don't play on Call of Duty or another game, so just click on it, click uninstall, and uninstall this application. If you are not using I don't know, if you are not using Epic Games for example, okay, bad example, Fortnite, bad example 2. So as you can see, all apps have storage space, consumes storage space and data usage. Sometimes applications has data usage with more data, with high size files, and you can clear this data. To do it, just click clear data and clear cache. Click OK. Okay. And the second method to free up your space is uploading the photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, your Google account gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage, so you can use the Photos app to free up 15 gigabytes of your memory. To do this, open your photos, not gallery, but photos. Find Photos application. I have no Photos application. If you have no too, so just open Play Store and find here Photos by Google. Oh, I have it. Okay, so open it, click Allow, and just click Turn on Backup. Click Next, and now all your photos will uploaded to your cloud storage, and then you can click on your account button and then click free up space. Now I can free up 5 megabytes because 7 megabytes because now at this moment on this moment my photos are uploading to the cloud storage, and then when all your data will be uploaded to the cloud storage, you can click free up and then allow. Great. Okay, the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processor is running at the moment are running in RAM. All the applications that are running at the moment are also running in RAM. So here again, the winner is the one who bought a device with more temporary storage. The RAM can be freed by unloading the running applications or by disabling the background fork of the applications. In order to unload the memory of running application, just swipe your finger up if you are using gestures, or click on the square button if you are using navigate buttons, and just unload unused applications. Great. And the last aspect that slows down your device is the files that are left out from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. In order to clean these files, you will need a special program or built-in security XIAOMI program. Click agree and click cleaner. As you can see, now I can free up 288 megabytes of junk files. Oh, 400 trash files. Oh my gosh. As you can see, these applications creates junk files on my system, so I want to clean up these files. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.